This is part 2 of our inspections and projects training. This one's focusing on inspections. These two features can be used completely independently, but we also like to have them strongly related. I think it's very useful to start a project, particularly for a unit turn, where an inspection is one of the project task items. And then when you complete the inspection, you can create work orders from those inspection items and then link those work orders directly to the project so you can all see it in one place, everything that needs to get completed. So I'm going to be going through what inspections are, how they work, how to navigate, and then how to actually conduct an inspection in the field, whether it's yourself, one of your team members, a third-party service provider, or even your residents. No login is required to get started. And that is one of the key benefits of our inspections. In addition to storing and saving inspection templates that you can use in your properties or use them over and over again, you can link these inspections to your properties as well and see inspection history. And then for actually conducting the inspection, no sign-in, no download required, just share with anyone you want to complete the inspection. They can complete it right from their mobile phone, wherever they are in the field. Okay, for managing inspection templates, you go in under maintenance, and then in that dropdown, navigate just to inspection templates. And then from there, you will see all of your existing templates. And there's two ways to create new templates. One is the create new button. The other way is go into an inspection template that you already use and like. And then in that 3 dots menu, when you click that, it drops down and there's an option to duplicate that template. So you can work from an existing template that you already like, or you can just create a new one from scratch. Then once you have those inspection templates, we'll start with some already pre-baked ones, but you can definitely build and encourage you to build your own. You go into actually managing your inspections using that same navigation, just go to the inspections themselves. From there, you see your list of inspections. You can see them by names, how far the progress has gone, being updated, and then when you've created it, we'll be adding a due date as well for people to be able to see, where the progress is, have things been completed yet. So then when you want a new inspection, just click that Create New button. There's simple two steps. Select the template that you want to use for whatever inspection you create, and then name that inspection. And if you have any special instructions, you can just add those, and then you create that inspection list. Then to actually perform the inspection, once you're actually looking at the inspection itself, a link to the property, you can either inspect now. So if you're logged into Latchel, just click this link. It will launch the inspector view right there from your phone or your iPad or whatever device you're using out in the field. Or you can share the inspection link with whoever's doing the inspection. Set it, whether it's your in-house team member, whether it's a third-party service provider or the resident themselves, just share this link with them and they can go and complete the inspection without having to download any application or even log in or create an account. It just launches that inspection view. So for the actual inspection view, it's pretty simple, mobile friendly. For each one of the category areas you've created, they just begin the inspection for that category. So say you're in the bedroom, you have different items, or this one, the basement, you just click Begin Inspection, and it will take you through each one of the items, and they get to rank how is the condition. Is it good, fair, poor condition, adding notes that they want. If they think follow-up work is needed, they can flag that and then add any images. Just take pictures right there from your phone or add any pictures that they've added. Just save that, and as the items get completed, it drops down to show that it's been completed, and then the uncompleted inspection items just move up to the top and they just go through. Click Begin Inspection for each one of the areas that you want to inspect, and just continue that until all of the items have been inspected and they are done. And then from this view, when somebody's done and completed the inspections, you can go ahead and create work orders. So there's a button right there to create the work orders. Just click that, and you can select. By default, we show all of the items that have been flagged for follow-up. But you can expand that, see other items. Maybe you want to do additional work as well, and just select each one of the items that you want to have in the work order. Go ahead, create the work order, and it's there. Another great thing that you can do with inspections is download and print and share if you just want to share the results, say with a property owner, say, hey, here's the current condition of your property. All that is possible. So if you ever run into a situation where you need help with inspections or you have suggestions on how to make it better, please send your feedback or your questions to success@latchel.com. We can help you figure out how to get a certain task done, or we can take that as a feature request, add it to our roadmap, and we love continuously improving our product based on customer feedback. So thank you for your time, and I hope you have fun with inspections and projects.